So I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth devices to your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now this could be Bluetooth headphones, could be a Bluetooth speaker like this one, or any kind of other Bluetooth devices. So what you need to do is go to settings and then go to Bluetooth. And first of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. Now with Bluetooth on, it should be scanning for available devices it can connect to. So you want to put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. So for this one, all I need to do is switch it on and then press on the pairing button. And now it's in pairing mode and it should get discovered by my phone. Now, if my phone has stopped scanning, I should tap refresh. And you can see it's been picked up because it's in pairing mode. Now, all I have to do is tap on that device to request pairing and then tap on pair, and it's now paired and connected. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.